Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to use Invideo AI. There is a link pinned in the comments. This is my affiliate link. You can guys use it to sign in, to log in, and to use it to explore the app. There is a free plan that you can actually guys use. So go ahead, and if you're interested, you want to make sure that you learn more about it. Let me give you a brief overview of the app. This is where you're going to come and you're going to log in or create your account. There is two options to do it. First of all, we gotta break down that there is a mobile app for Invideo for the iOS, okay, for the iPhones, and there is a desktop version which everyone knows, everyone uses. So when you click on try Invideo AI, this is where you're gonna be prompted to use your Gmail account, your Apple ID, or your Gmail. Okay, you can log in with your Google account as well. So essentially, you want to make sure that before you sign up, you know exactly what are the plans and how Invideo actually works. Let me give you a quick rundown. Okay, first of all is the free plan. The free plan gives you 10 minutes of work with AI generative. Okay, so this will give you 10 minutes. That's it. I know it's very little. That's the free plan, but you're going to get the 10 gigabytes of storage for exports with the watermark of Invideo, of course, and 2.5 million of standard media. So you're not gonna get the iStock, but you're gonna get like a standard media. Pieces of content that probably a lot of people already downloaded, created, and uploaded somewhere else. So it's not gonna be your best shot, but something that you can play, you can see how is it, how does it work, you can practice. The second plan is the plus $20 a month. You're gonna get 50 minutes of AI generative. You're gonna get 80 stock footages, stock content per month. You're gonna get 100 gigs of storage. You're gonna get unlimited exports, and you're gonna get up to one user. The last plan is the most expensive, guys. It's $48 a month. This plan gives you 200 minutes of AI generative, and you're gonna get 320 different iStock content pieces. This is gonna be per month again. You're gonna get 400 gigs of storage. You're gonna get unlimited exports, but still you're going to get up to one user. So for corporates, for multi-account logins, you gotta contact them. Check out the link in the comment that is pinned, guys, if you are interested and if you want to explore the app. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.